Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a video episode for all the indoor plant lovers out there, especially those dealing with low light spaces in their homes. Not every home is blessed with ample sunlight. But don't worry, if you dream about having indoor plants in dimly lit rooms, you're in for a treat. Let's explore the amazing world of houseplants that grow where the sun doesn't shine. First up, we have the Chinese Evergreen or Aglaonema. It's perfect for those who are new to gardening and thrives happily without direct sunlight. Meet the Dieffenbachia, known for being one of the best low-light plants. It grows wonderfully under indirect light. Calathea, with its oblong leaves in bold patterns and a range of colors, is an elegant addition to any room. And guess what? It's not picky about light at all. The hardleaf philodendron brings tropical vibes with its sunny green leaves, remaining healthy and glossy even in low light. Then there's the ZZ plant, hard to kill and adaptable. It thrives in both high and low light conditions. The striking parlor palm, with its thin green leaflets, is drought tolerant and a fantastic choice for low light areas. Dracaena, a forgiving plant, withstands various conditions, including occasional droughts and low light. Crypthanthus, with star-shaped leaves in shades of bronze, browns, red, and pink, adapts well to low lighting. The cast iron plant, a low-maintenance wonder, survives a range of conditions, even without sunlight. Maidenhair fern, with its lacy fan-shaped fronds, thrives near north-facing windows, away from direct sun. The peace lily, a low-maintenance beauty with attractive white flowers, grows well in shady areas. Aloe vera, adaptable and beneficial for the skin, can also thrive in low light. Watermelon peperomia, resembling its namesake fruit, prefers bright, indirect light and is easy to grow from leaves. Pothos, a shade-loving plant in nature, is perfect for low-lit rooms. Staghorn fern, which dislikes direct harsh sun, is ideal for spaces with indirect light. The spider plant, great for the forgetful gardener, adapts well to many conditions, especially low light. And finally, the snake plant, an air-purifying houseplant that's low maintenance and tolerates full shade, full sun, and occasional droughts.